Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will talk about what is the best method of financing a business in 2023 and beyond. As a business owner or director, there will be time when you need to access finance for your business. You might need finance to grow, to buy stock, or to see you through difficult times. But which method of business financing is the right for your organization? In this article, we explore some of the general challenges facing businesses, the traditional method of business finance, and some alternative financing solutions are why you need business finance. According to the Australian government website, fluctuation in cash flow can have a serious effective on a business's viability. As a result, one of the most common reasons a business seeks financial assets is due to cash flow, but there are many other reasons why a business owner might seek funding. You might need business financing to help establish a new business, to purchase or lease properties such as a factory or store, to expand a business or begin engaging in international trade, to purchase stock for investment in uh, vehicles, machinery, or other tool and equipment for research and development during times of difficulty, to help the business survive. New challenges in business finance. The global pandemic and its aftermath wreaked on the world business, but when we finalize emerge from COVID, business leaders and owners face new challenges. The smallest to the largest multinational companies felt the impact of global supply chain issues, increased cost, skill workers shortage, and ongoing global uncertainty. Record level of inflation and rising interest rate put pressure on household, consumer, and business owners alike. According to the recent KMPG report, business leaders have also been felt with concern about staff acquisition and retention, cybersecurity, and digital transformation. The disruption of remote workplace, as well as new technologies. Traditional method of financing a business. How do you finance a business? Many businesses owners still default to familiar conversational option when they need financing, and there are three basic ways to go about it. It can be achieved by using internal funds, or organizing debt financing, arranging equity finance. So business financing method: uh, uh, internal fund, debt finance, equity finance, and so on.